Good evening and welcome everyone. New for you tonight at 10. The Simpson County School District is working with the county sheriff's office to investigate a shooting threat that was reported this afternoon. That threat was received via Snapchat. All
Simpson County schools will be open tomorrow, but as a precaution, Mendenhall police officers and deputies from the sheriff's office will be patrolling the Mendenhall High School campus.
Many students at Jackson State University are without air conditioning tonight. We are told it's the north side of campus, including classrooms, the cafeteria, and dorm rooms.
WJTV 12's Margaret Ann Carter spoke with students living on campus who are battling the heat.
Many of the students are having to sleep without air conditioning in their dorm rooms, and they said the university handed out fans, which is a good gesture, just not good enough.
We got people in the lobby with their shirts off, you know,
doors
open, all the mosquitoes tearing us up because we're trying to get it cool.
The calendar may read fall, but the Mississippi heat and humidity is still in full force. Unfortunately, for some JSU students, the AC isn't.
As far as ladies, we can't practice. The floors are slick, and that can cause injury, so it's kind of dangerous. And as far as the classroom, it's just really uncomfortable. And it actually feels better on the outside.
The vice president of JSU sent a letter to the entire student body saying, in part, we are addressing the cooling issue with the utmost urgency.
I love the fact that they've sent out notifications to the whole student body, letting them know that this is it, this is the problem, and we're working on it, and it won't happen again.
Other students say this should have never been an issue to begin with.
When you pay $30,000, I expect rent and utilities, light, gas, all that to be covered. And they working on it, yeah, but I mean, problems like this, I feel like there should be precautionary steps to be put in place before things like this happen.
This comes at the same time officials shut down the College of Liberal Arts because of mold. All classes inside that building have been moved to different rooms. Reporting in Jackson, Margaret Ann Carter, WJTV 12.
Now, we reached out to the university to speak with someone about those issues. We will let you know as soon as we hear back.
To view the entire email from JSU, you can visit our website. It is WJTV.com.